bald. But I'm a woman. So, Adrian, hello, welcome. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Just add water and some milk and microwave. But I think it's also nice, Jan. It's nice. It's ready to cook. It will not take time. Maybe like 3 to 5 minutes done, right? How many minutes you are cooking in microwave? Of course, Jan. Of course, Lulu. Jan Jackson. Of course, Lulu, you have siblings, right? You have also siblings here. Lulu, send me email also, Lulu. Then I will add you in Telegram group. Your beautiful heart is your beauty, Anna. I really like that. Thank you so much, Sis Amna. Thank you. God bless you. Not much to cut anymore around sides and back. Then I think guys, barbers are very lucky with you. If like that, John, they just need to cut only side and back. Better you buy the razor, the razor just do like they no need to pay for no need to pay in the salon just to cut your hair. Just buy razor and then just do by yourself. No problem. I have 3 siblings. 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, Lulu. Okay. Have you a channel? Boo will start a new channel, sis Amna. Boo, right? Download, upload some videos, Boo. he said we will make channel, me and him. I don't know how. I don't know how we will make video. Yeah, I should get a discount, lol. Yes, Jan. Maybe one day I will make salon, and also for those who are balding people. Then I will give discount and haircut. Because it will not take too much time. Just everyone please subscribe to Bobo channel. I have hair, I just don't like to bother with it. And anyway guys, also if you don't have hair, then you don't need shampoo, you don't need conditioner, so it's less expenses, right? It's cost cutting. Best of luck. I'm sitting here in the boring room. It's just another rainy Sunday afternoon. I'm wasting my time. I've got nothing to do. I'm hanging around. I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens and I... Oh, from where you got that, Simon? Is it a poem? When I was high school, I loved to write a poem. And then when I'm getting old, no more. Godzilla, hello. Welcome. Amna kisiho. Lemon Tree lyrics. Okay. I cannot memorize, but I know that song, but I cannot memorize the song. Jan, he sent me that video actually with I think that's Japanese girl, a kid cover. Thank you so much. Hi, Kira. Hello, Kira. Welcome, Kira. Did you get sleep? I think you got sleep, Kira. Am I right? Raining in the UK. I thought it's so hot here. I thought it's so hot there, Simon, but it's raining. She goes by... Wakas Ahmad. Hello, welcome, Wakas Ahmad. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.